Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you get started with Sketchup, a fantastic tool for three-dimensional design. First, let's explore the interface. You'll want to master basic navigation, which includes orbiting around your model, panning across the screen, and zooming in or out. These three actions are crucial for efficient modeling and will become second nature very quickly. We will cover how to set up your workspace for optimal viewing and accessibility, ensuring a smooth start to your creative journey. Now that you can move around, let's draw. The line tool is your starting point for creating edges and faces. You can also use the rectangle and circle tools to quickly generate two-dimensional shapes. Once you have a flat face, the push/pull tool is incredibly powerful. It allows you to extrude that two-dimensional face into a three-dimensional object, adding depth and volume to your designs with just one click. This is where your ideas truly begin to take shape. As your model grows, organization becomes key. Grouping objects is essential for keeping your design tidy and easy to manage. You can then use the Move tool to precisely position elements, or the Rotate tool to orient them correctly in three-dimensional space. The Scale tool allows you to adjust the size of any object, ensuring everything fits perfectly. These tools provide the flexibility to refine your design and maintain control over every component. Finally, let's bring your model to life with details and materials. Applying textures and colors can dramatically enhance its visual appeal. For more intricate forms, the Follow Me tool is excellent for creating complex shapes along a path, like moldings or railings. Don't forget the 3D Warehouse, a vast library where you can download thousands of pre-made components, from furniture to trees, saving you valuable time and enriching your designs instantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.